Students, good morning to you all. Welcome to Environmental Science class. Last class, we have seen the lesson Shakti's journey. I'm going to recap you. Shakti's family planned to go for a tour to Chennai. They reached Chennai by train. Now, they're learning about modes of transport. Now we move on to page number 84. Mother asked, the smaller ones are called boats and the bigger ones are the ships. Ships carry a large number of people and goods from one country to another. What the mother is saying? The small one is called a boat and a big one is called a ship. Ship carries many people and goods from one place to another place easily. Okay, students. Now look at down, think and discuss. Do vehicles that move on water have any wheels? How do they move? They asking us question. How our boats are moving in the water? It has a wheel. No. Due to Archimedes' principle, the hollow space at the down of a ship make a boat move in water. Okay, students. Now look at down. Vehicles on the waterways. There are different kinds of waterways vehicle. They are catamaran. In Tamil, Kattumaram. Uses oars to move. Used for fishing. It is used for fishing. Next one, motor boat. What is motor boat? It has a motor inside it. Uses fuel to move. It uses fuel. It means petrol, diesel, etc. Used for fishing and for pleasure rides. Pleasure rides means someone to enjoy, they go for a ride. No, that is pleasure rides. Next one, sailing boat. Sailing sails help it move. Sail means it doesn't consume any fuel. Due to air, it moves. Look at the picture. It has a long white cloth. Based on the air comes, it moves from one place to another. It is a sailboat. It doesn't consume any fuel. It is fully based on air. Used for travel and sport. Okay, students, sports. For sports and all, it is used. Next one, ship. Ship uses fuel to move. It also uses fuel. What above we have seen, motorboat also use fuel. Now ship also use fuel. Ship carries goods and people over a long distance. It carries goods. Not a minimum amount, a maximum amount. Look at the picture. It is huge in size. So it carries huge amount of goods as well as a people. Okay, students. Look at down box. The coracle is used to travel on lakes and rivers for short distance. It can carry 5 to 6 people. What do you mean by coracle? A simple round rowing boat made of woven sticks covered with animals. It is round in shape. I think you have seen it. It is used in lakes and rivers for a short distance of traveling only it is used. Okay, students, now look at down. Then children played on the seashores. Kavita. Who is Kavita? Shakti's sister. What a lovely visit. He is enjoying the place and saying it is a lovely visit. Now they have asked us question. Write the names of the vehicles. Look at the picture. They have given a box side of it. You have to say a correct name for it. The answer is given above. First one is ship. It is bigger one. It uses fuel to move. Next one, yeah, it has a cloth like material. So it is a sailing boat. Next one, yeah, catamaran. You have to write in a box and you have to show to me. Next one, page number 85. Airways. The vacation was coming to an end. The family reached the Chennai airport as they were flying back to Trichy. Shakti, Kavita, and Kyle were really excited to see the aeroplanes. What they are saying? For vacation only they came to Chennai from Trichy. So now vacation is getting over. So they have to go back to Trichy. By train they came to Chennai. Now through airways, it means aeroplane, they were going back to Trichy. For that they came to airport. Now see Kyle saying, it is Kyle's statement. Look at the planes landing and taking off. I want to be a pilot, Appa. What Kyle saying? There are planes moving and landing. I want to be a pilot, Appa. For that, Kyle father replied, Father, sure you can observe the speed at which the aeroplanes are moving. They are the fastest means of transport. What the father is saying? The fastest means of transport is airways only. Look at the speed, how it is moving. Now, Shakti, does the aeroplane use fuel too? He is asking a question to his father. Like boats, it also consume fuel or not? He is asking. For that, Shakti's father replying, yes, a special kind of fuel, not a normal fuel. Aeroplane need a special kind of fuel. Okay, now look at down. Kinds of aircraft. We have seen at different types of waterways. Likewise, there is also kinds of aircraft. This is a helicopter. It can carry a few people. It is used by the army to save lives and bring supplies during floods and other difficulties. It is a helicopter. In it, only few peoples, two or three peoples only can travel. It is used in army and during flood time. In Chennai, flood time and all you can see in news. Food and all delivered by helicopter only. That only this. Next one, aeroplane. This is an aeroplane. People use aeroplanes to go from one city or a country to another. It also carries goods. It is an aeroplane. It is large in size and people can travel in it to reach different countries. It also carries goods. Next, last one. These are hot air balloons. They are used to tell us about the weather for advertisement and so as sport. Based on air only it will move. Some are based on fire on it. Making a fire inside it also it will move. It is used for advertisement like slogans and all. Next, look at down. Think and discuss. They are asking us some questions. Have you seen white lines like this? Look at the picture. I think you have seen it. Like this in the sky. What are they? Yes, that are jet fly across the sky means like these lines will come. Okay, students. Now look at page number 86. They have given some activities. Tick the vehicles that move in the air. They have given three modes of vehicles: airways, landways, and all. Now we have to tick the air moving vehicles. What are they? Yes, First one and second one orange color helicopter move on air. Okay students, in today's class you have to complete page number 84 activity. Write the names of the vehicles. First one ship, second one sailing boat, third one catamaran. Next, page number 86. You have to tick it and show to me. Okay students, I hope you understand the class. We will meet on next class.